Hi, let's make some cauliflower fufu, aka vegetable fufu. Hi Fit Fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day. So I'm going to be showing you this recipe, how I made fufu from cauliflower. Yes, vegetable. So the first thing you want to do is take off the shafts from the cauliflower. Make sure you, after rinsing the cauliflower, make sure you take off the shaft. Next thing you want to do is get some water and remove the florets from your cauliflower. So here is one trick, guys. When you add in water, you want to make sure that you add just a little bit of water because you don't want your cauliflower to be sloppy. So you just want to add a very tiny bit of water, and if you feel like it's not coming up as you want it, what you do is you can use your turning stick like I'm doing in this video, and make sure, because cauliflower is very soft, so you can use your turning stick to mash it down in the blender just so that you can have a smooth blend. So after blending, your cauliflower has to be really fine and smooth, just like this. Yeah, it has to be fine and so next thing we're going to be doing is transfer your smooth blended cauliflower into a pan. So here is it, guys. I'm introducing to you the star of the show, the magic guy. That is the psyllium husk. That is the guy that does the magic of this whole fufu drama. So you're going to be adding like 2 spoons of psyllium husk powder into your cauliflower. But the thing is that you can add as much as you want. You just have to understand what consistency you want. If you want it really soft or you want it quite strong, me, I like mine not too strong, not too soft, just the moderate normal way. So you're going to be adding some psyllium husk. Like I told you before, you can add more, as much as you want, just to get the consistency that you're looking for. Keep turning just the way you would turn your normal fufu. So in case this is your first time on this channel and you don't know what this channel is all about, it's all about fitness, healthy lifestyle, travel, beauty, fashion, and stuffs in that category. And if this is something that you're interested in, I would like to encourage you to please like, share, subscribe, share with your family. Sharing is caring. So guys, and those of you that are my returning viewers, my subscribers, I just want to say a massive shout out to all of you. I see all your comments, I see all your likes. I do not take any of you for granted. Thank you so very much. God bless all of you. So there you go guys, your cauliflower fufu is ready. It tastes exactly like your regular fufu and you can pair it with any soup of your choice, egusi, ogbono, okra, vegetable soup. I hope you get to try this recipe. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.